Atlanta Tech has a new student tutoring online service that we need to make available to students to use. This is a flyer that you're looking at for it, and you'll get these through email, and so will your students. So there will be one way for them to access the tutoring site. But to allow them to gain easier access, we're also going to want to post this as a new Blackboard tab. To do this, you're going to take this website, www.atlantatech.upswing.io, and create a new tab. To do this, you'll come to the yellow cross sign on the menu tab of Blackboard, and it'll open up and you'll select web link, and then you'll give it a name, so UpSwing Tutoring. Then you'll just put in the URL, atlantatech.upswing.io, and make this available to students by checking this box and hit submit. It'll come in on the bottom of your screen as things do with Blackboard, and I think the best place to put this for our students is right under their content in lessons so they can easily access the tutoring. If you enter the tutoring, it'll appear within Blackboard, and it says how to log in. So for students to log in, they will use the same username and password as they do for everything else, their SSO username and password. And then it offers students different information, including videos on how to use the tutoring service. I hope you found this helpful.